How's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new step called a Doble Paso. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start off with some motuno. Here we go. 5, 6, some motuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Watch your closing. I go 5, 6, 7. The reason why is because I want to make sure I have more room on my left side to begin my doble paso. So let's start. I'm going to go left 2, get over my right on the 2. Open 3, close 4. Open 5, close 6. Open 7. Tap on 8 here. Going reverse now. I'm going to go on open on the 1, close on the 2, open 3, close 4, open 5, close 6, open 7, tap on the 8, and then somos uno with that left leg. 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. Let's try that one more time. Nice and slow. Doble paso. 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love with this. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this move is honestly keeping it nice and tight. The bigger the steps are, the harder it's going to be, and also it looks like you have a cramp and you're like telling everybody, hey, wait for me. So please don't do that. I want you to look good on the dance floor. Another thing I will say, add some sabor to your dance. That flavor by circling the hips and just have a good time with it, all right? So I will say this, if you're doing doble paso here, boom, tiki-ta, pa, pa. See, just add some flavor in the hands. There's multiple options you can do for that. Hands can go out, they can go fix your hair a little bit, you can do a little shimmy. The options are endless. So let's try this at halftime music and then we're doing it full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Doble paso y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1. Here we go. Doble paso. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6. Doble paso. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y 3. Allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.